This slide highlights the key differences between qualitative and quantitative research. Both approaches are valuable in monitoring and evaluation, but they serve different purposes and generate different kinds of insights. Let's go feature by feature. Purpose. The purpose of qualitative research is to explore and understand meaning. It asks the why and the how. For example, in a nutrition program, qualitative interviews might explore why some mothers prefer traditional foods over fortified supplements. In contrast, quantitative research aims to measure and test relationships. In the same program, surveys might measure what percentage of children are malnourished or test whether supplement distribution improves nutrition outcomes in data type. Qualitative research relies on text, audio, video, and observations. For instance, a focus group discussion might generate transcripts where participants describe their experiences. Observations in classrooms or clinics also fall into this category. On the other hand, quantitative research produces numbers and statistics such as school attendance rates, vaccination coverage percentages, or test scores. These numbers allow for measurement and comparison. Sample size. Qualitative studies usually involve smaller, more focused samples. For example, an evaluation team might interview 20 teachers in a district to understand teaching challenges. Quantitative studies, however, require larger and more representative samples. For instance, a national household survey on education may include thousands of households to ensure findings can be generalized to the entire population. Data analysis. In qualitative research, data is analyzed through interpretation and thematic analysis. Researchers look for patterns, themes, and meaning in the narratives. For example, in interviews with youth, recurring themes like unemployment or lack of mentorship may emerge. In quantitative research, analysis is statistical. We might calculate averages, test correlations, or run regressions. For example, testing whether children in households receiving cash transfers are more likely to stay in school than those who are not. Focus. Finally, qualitative research focuses on depth and context. It gives us detailed insights into people's experiences, motivations, and perceptions. For example, it can reveal how cultural beliefs influence maternal health behaviors. Quantitative research, in contrast, focuses on breadth and generalizability. It allows us to say with confidence, 80% of mothers in this region attended at least one antenatal visit. Together, these two approaches complement each other. One gives us the story, the other gives us the scale. In summary, qualitative and quantitative research are not competing approaches. Instead, they are like two sides of the same coin. Qualitative research provides depth and meaning, while quantitative research provides breadth and measurement. When combined, they give us a complete and powerful picture of program performance and impact.